Hey guys, happy Monday. It's Mr. Golias with the Daily Agenda. The agendas are going to look very similar whether you're in Zoom or not today. The only difference is some small group work and a game that we're going to play for those people who are live. The on-demand folks, obviously you won't be doing that today, but you'll do everything else. Use the hyperlinks to work your way through everything. So just to be clear though, you're creating your Flipgrid, you turn that in. You're going to watch everybody else's Flipgrid, and then you're actually doing your Dreamboard reflection, which is in the Google Classroom, and there's a link there to walk you through it as well. Remember, these are turning into summative grades. Your reflection will turn into a summative. Your presentation with your Dreamboard will be a summative as well. So let's make sure we do a great job, and I'll see you either in class today or for my on-demand folks, I'll see you guys in class tomorrow. Have a great day.